It's a me, Oscilloscope. It's a me, Goff here with an entry for the Element 14 Project 14 Acoustics Challenge in March 2020. Around Christmas time I saw a video somewhere on the internet where someone used their oscilloscope to play a Christmas tune comprising of sine wave tones. That got me thinking, could I do any better? As we all know, sounds are just pressure waves in air. We can easily generate sounds from electrical waves by passing it to a transducer, such as a speaker, that vibrates the air in the same fashion. Digital music stores the shape of these electrical waves as samples, a digital number representing the amplitude of the wave at periodic intervals, which is often compressed to save storage space. Knowing this, I wanted to see if I could improve on the tone-based audio and give us something more musical. To do this, I would exploit the arbitrary waveform generation features on the Rohde Schwarz RTM3004 to download specially crafted CSV files with audio samples on a USB stick and play them back in sequence under Skippy remote control. Unfortunately, with a waveform buffer of just 32,768 samples and limitations in loading speeds, realistically this equates to about 3.3 second chunk lists of slightly above telephone quality audio sampled at a rate of approximately 9,830 Hz. Look at what happens if I stop reloading new blocks of samples into the buffer. Putting new blocks of samples into the buffer. Putting new blocks of samples into the buffer. Yes, it just keeps playing the same old buffer over and over and over, playing this and over and over and over again. And I'm just playing with you. But yes, this narration is coming out of the oscilloscope and being captured by the Zoom handy recorder. To play something smoothly ideally requires a setup where samples can be streamed or multiple buffers can be rapidly loaded and ping-ponged between, much like how audio is done on a regular sound card on a computer. Unfortunately, the RTM3004 doesn't seem to have this functionality, so a stutter is audible between each block of samples, but still perhaps a bit more fun than just generating a few tones. Let me close out this video with some few tone music. This is the demo track from the Amiga Octa Music Tracker software, being played by the Rohde Schwarz RTM3004.